Opening a Jira ticket involves creating a new issue to track tasks, bugs, or other work items. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Log into Jira. Access your Jira instance and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the project. From the Jira dashboard, select the project where you want to create the ticket. Click on Projects from the main menu and choose the appropriate project. Open the Create Issue dialog. Click the Create button, usually found at the top of the Jira interface. This opens the Create Issue dialog. Select Issue Type. In the dialog, choose the type of issue you want to create. This could be a bug, task, story, or any other issue type configured for your project. Enter issue details, summary, description, assignee, priority. Set additional fields. Fill in other fields such as labels, due dates, or attachments if necessary. Create the ticket. Click the Create button to save and add the new ticket to the project. View the ticket. After creation, the ticket will appear in the project's issue list or backlog. Click on it to view or edit details.